smaller. Up, then you have 5 p.m. and then 5 p.m. Then you have another 6 a.m. Okay. Then I have to adjust this. I think this feels like this better with it feels so childish. Mm, it feels like this whole thing should not even be here. There's one with okay, so this whole thing should not even be here. Even in my eyes. And then you have this, otherwise what is this one doing? 24 to 26th May. Twenty 25. You have 5 p.m. 5 p.m. 6 a.m. Okay. So now once you are done, like here, taking everything nice into somewhere is the best you can get from this particular template. And then you now proceed to the done and and voila, save it as because after we come correction, so instead you see that final one. We're going to assume you don't have final one, final one, but final one, save. So let's see. Let's go into tool. So let's open the design. Okay. And then let's see our final work. So Tolu, this is how to customize any of the designs on my shop. Alright, so let's open full screen. Looking nice and just let's see for full screen. This is looking nice and awesome, right? Nice and awesome. Nice and awesome. For your church serving you, this is how to customize. It's not complicated. I mean, this is not too classy and classy but spiritual. This is not, too loud, but not too boring. Very nonsense way to describe a design when you're not the one doing it. But this is basically what you get for that, right? So um that's it for this particular tutorial.